Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Adele Janae, where we chase dreams. I empower and motivate you to build that business and navigate this thing called life together. Here, I share my journey, the challenges, the wins, and everything in between to inspire you to unlock your potential and to find your drive. Today, we're going to be talking about why data is your secret weapon and how you can survive not only the TikTok ban, but to know YouTube trends. Okay. So let's talk about data and why data matters. Why data is so crucial. Data is the backbone of decision making in today's digital world. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone trying to grow your online presence, understanding data can help you connect with the right audience, create content that resonates, and ultimately achieve your goals. Data helps you understand things like what your audience cares about, when your audience is most active, what's trending right now in your niche. Now, with platforms like TikTok facing potential bans in certain countries, many creators are wondering, how will I stay relevant? Where would I find trends? And that's where the data comes in as your secret weapon. So let's break down this TikTok ban. So for instance, if TikTok goes away, we're talking about losing a massive source of trends and viral content. But does that mean your creative flow should stop? Absolutely not. It just means you need to shift your focus to other platforms and tools. You as a creator should be on multiple platforms anyway. You should also be saving your TikToks and or any other content that you have, because you can use that and repurpose that content across multiple platforms. Remember, trends don't start and stop with one platform. They shift and they spread. The key is knowing where to look and how to adapt. Now, today, we're going to talk about Google Trends. Google Trends is a free tool that helps you see what people are searching for online. Here's how you can use it to create content that's relevant and timely. First, you'll go to googletrends.com. You will type in your browser a specific niche. So for this example, we're going to use fitness and you click explore. Now you could also be specific like workout routines, products, certain products like maybe yoga mats or things like that. You can be as specific as you want to be within that search bar. Then you can adjust filters. You can narrow it down by region, by time frame, and category to get the most relevant data. So, for instance, if I want to look for this trend worldwide, I can click that. If I want to look in the past for hours, I can look up that data and information. I can also go into specific categories. So they do have a beauty and fitness category. And you can look at web search. So if people are looking up images, news search, Google shopping, or YouTube search, you can get even more specific, right? So let's do YouTube search. On YouTube, this trend has actually been, this term has actually been trending, and it tells you around what time frame everyone looks and searches for this particular topic. Everybody is searching workouts in the morning, and then it tapers off after like 8 a.m. So this is really good information. For instance, if you want to post a workout routine video, you would do best by posting it early in the morning. Okay. And then most of the time, people who work out, they either work out early in the morning or at night, right? So this is gold for you. Using Google Trends also ensures that you're not just guessing about what people want to see, you know what they are searching for. So we can go back to the home page, right? The good thing about Google Trends is it tells you what's actually trending now. So there's a lot of political news that is trending at this very moment. Okay. It tells you a deep dive. I'm so sorry. A deep dive into what went on in 2024 about the wildfires, NFL playoffs, also local year in search. So you can actually see what people were searching all year. Okay. And it kind of breaks down and it kind of lightly, briefly shows you. You can even go as deep as your zip code or that area or what's in your vicinity. Okay. So let me show you a real life example. I actually found this article within Google Trends, which I felt was very interesting. It was it's a chart about what people are searching for. It's a little fun virtual thing. I'm just going to go over a couple of them. So, what we're searching for in the morning, weekend morning routine. So, people are searching for yoga and French toast, and you can explain it with data. So, it shows you which countries are searching for that at what times. So, in the morning, Australia, Belgium, Canada, and France are searching for yoga. Meanwhile, Germany, South Korea, Nigeria, and Taiwan are searching for French toast. Okay. Yeah. Wishing and hoping. Wishing, hoping, and thinking. I think that is funny. It goes over people searching for lottery in France, Romania, United States, and South Africa in the morning, right? Early morning, it looks like. People who search for meditation, it's high in the morning. Prayer, people are searching for that in the morning, and it tells you which countries are searching for these things. Okay. Apologies in advance. The Bible's main protagonist and crossword instructions. Um, so people in Chile, Ecuador, Peru, and Taiwan are looking for these things in the morning. They're searching for the Bible in the morning. And crosswords, Australia, Germany, Finland, and France are about, yeah, mid morning. They're searching crosswords. Kind of random, but I thought that was a pretty fun fact um, to talk about. Now, I believe that chart and guide, if you guys want to go into a deeper, um, it's on this page somewhere. So maybe explore or trending now. Let me see. I don't know how I found it, but it's on Google Trends. It's on Google Trends, I promise. That's exactly where I found it. I may leave the link for it within the description box as well. Okay. So don't forget, when you use tools like Google Trends, you're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. You're using data to guide your strategy. This not only saves you time, but it also increases your chances of creating content that truly resonates with your audience. So whether you're pivoting from TikTok or just starting out on YouTube, data is your best friend. You can use tools like Google Trends to stay ahead of the curve, and remember, success in content creation isn't about luck, it's about strategy and consistency. Before we wrap up, I would love to hear from you. What tools do you use to find trends or to stay inspired? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new video. Let's grow together. And until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and keep chasing your potential. And don't forget to live, love, laugh, and smile. Bye for now.